All right, so at the very last section of that video was the fill that I'm going to be breaking down today. So let's break this down into two sections. The first section, I'm going to give you guys a sticking pattern, and then I'll break it down and play it slowly for you. So the sticking goes kick, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, kick, left, right. And that very last right, we're going to go ahead and choke the hi-hat and also put a kick on top of that. So here's that section slowly, and then we'll slowly speed it up for you guys. Here it is. All right, that was the first section. Let's jump into the second section. Now, before I break down the sticking pattern, I just want to be sure you guys are following along either with your knees on a drum pad or preferably behind a drum kit watching this video. It's great to watch the video, but it's also great to put application to what I'm teaching you guys. That would be awesome if you're doing that. If you're doing that, great job. But anyways, let's jump into the sticking pattern of this. It goes kick, kick, right kick, kick, left kick, right left, right left, right right. Now on the last two right rights, we're going to go ahead and crash those and put a kick on top of them. Now, this one deals with a lot of kick work on the second section, and it also is phrased a little differently. So don't let that throw you off. Pay attention and listen closely. Here it is, and we'll speed it up as we go. All right, so let's go ahead and combine the sections so that we have the entire fill, and we'll play this slowly and speed it up. That way you get the timing and the phrasing of this entire fill. Here it is.